go.
Okay, this is the Star Quisha and Bone Quisha. How you doing? Yeah, we're gonna show girls how to do their weave. You know. Oh wait, let me take a drink. Hold on. You know. Oh, I almost said that. Yeah. You gotta start drinking first. Yeah.
You know. You gotta be good.
Star Quisha, your wig is bleeding. Oh my God. Wait.
Oh shit. I've been drinking too much honey, child.
Wait, let me get the curl on my girl. Let me get the curl. This is how we gotta do it. You know? Yeah.
Yeah, honey, child.
Yeah, you gotta.
Cause sometimes we.
Oh wait, my eye. Wait. Wait, girl.
Girl, come on. You can't be coming.
Your wig is hanging. Wait. See, girls, you gotta hold it. Hold your wig, Star Quisha.
Okay.
And roll it and flip it and flip it.
And don't try to
You know. And leave it. Hold it. Yeah. So, this is how I do my hair. You know, wait till it's hot. And then you flat it. Oh, my wig. Oh my God, wait.
Hold on, honey.
Oh my God. Wait, I need my drink.
Oh shit.
It's hot. Oh my God.
I need my glaucoma medicine. I can't see straight.
It's good to drink, right, Star Quisha? You don't even know my name. What's my name?
I don't know. I'm a pothead.
Yeah. Let me do your hair, bitch.
Okay, come on. This is how you do it. Wait, come on.
Oh my God.